poppin', everyone? It's your boy Joe Ratchet. I'm going to be reacting today to motherfucking Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga's 911 short film. Hell yes. So I'm pretty sure Chromatica #2 is about to be up in here as well. I'm hella excited. Let's go ahead and react. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is some beautiful drone footage. I freaking love her hair here. Oh my god, I love the mask, but it should be on the bottom part. And these pomegranates. Oh my god! Bring me to Chromatica, please, mother. Oh my god, I hear it. Dude! Wow, that's dope. She's knocking herself out. I wonder what story this is trying to say. If this is like a biblical thing. Because she's had Judas and stuff before. Interesting. I forgot what kind of hair color this Gaga face is. Maybe it's like Alejandro. Forgot. Wow, they're hot. My biggest enemy is me, Papa 911. My biggest enemy. Me, Papa 911. My biggest enemy is me ever since day one. Papa 911 and Papa another one. Yes! I'm loving the outfit and like face piece. Face jewelry? Not sure how to call that. Yeah. I'm trying to pause on the face mask. Face mask? Maybe it's that? But it's like pretty cool. I've never seen anything like it. Gaga is so unique. I love this outfit too. She kind of looks like Halsey-ish. How is that shit floating around her head? She's caught. My biggest enemies. Oh my god. This is a cute outfit too. God damn, Gaga. Bro, that guy's ripped. This looks so iconic. Look at that peacock. There's a peacock up in here too. I love the colors of this. That guy's very Judas looking, and I forgot to mention this earlier, but that chick, she reminds me of like Rihanna's Met Gala look. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Biggest enemy is me, Papa 911. Biggest enemy is me ever since day one. No! No! What is this scene? Gaga, you are iconic as always. No, the actress. Lady Gaga, no. Don't kill her! She about to get murdered. Oh my god.
We're in an accident. I'm just gonna ask some questions.
Are you on any medications right now? Everything's fine.
Oh my god, this is pretty cool. Call 911.
Look at me. Your leg's gonna be fine. The tourniquet.
Oh my god. This means so much. That's why he was banging his head. It's the airbag. This shit's about to transition into Chromatica 3. Just kidding. Armenian Film Festival, okay. New Mexico White Sands. Ah. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. That product placement for LG. Hey, wait. Oh, I was about to say this kind of looked like Back to the Future, but it's not. Oh my god, I'm so ready for Sign from Above. I can just hear it. Alright guys, that is my reaction to the music video 911, the short film by Lady Gaga herself. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked my reaction video, please don't forget to subscribe down below, as well as check out my content on my channel. Bye! See you in the next video.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.